Good morning, guys. I just finished my workout and now I'm gonna make some celery juice. I recently got into juicing a couple months ago, if you guys aren't caught up, and I ended up buying a juicer from Amazon, and I really love this juicer. I got lucky. I got it on one of the Black Friday deals. No, it wasn't Black Friday. Yeah, it was Black Friday. It was like the Amazon Black Friday deal. I don't know. And I've been making this green juice, but today I'm gonna be making celery juice for the first time. I've heard so many amazing things about celery juice. It's great for acne, for bloating, for psoriasis, eczema. It has so many amazing benefits, and the account that I'm following called Medical Medium, I'll link it below. He wrote the book Liver Rescue, which I haven't read, but I heard so many amazing things about that book as well. And the benefits of celery juice are just mind-blowing, and I want to try it for myself, see how I feel. I'm gonna make my first celery juice. We have the juicer already set up. I bought some organic celery from Trader Joe's yesterday, so I just have to wash and cut it up. And then I have my glass bottles. I got these from Amazon. All right, our celery is cut and clean. Now I'm just gonna turn this on. We're gonna start juicing. This is how much one bag of the celery made. Yeah, you definitely need a lot of celery if you want to do this every single day. This bottle is supposed to hold 16 ounces, and you're supposed to drink 16 ounces of the celery juice, but the medical medium says you can start off slowly, like maybe do 8 ounces and work your way up to 16 ounces. I did taste it, and it tastes like pure celery. I thought it was gonna taste a little better. I hope it gets better, but yeah, I'm gonna try to drink this. Oh, that is not good. That is not good. Is this one of those acquired tastes? I'm hoping it is. Oh, so have any of you tried celery juice? Because this ain't that good. Oh man. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. Normally I'm really good with things like this. Like, even if I don't like it, I tell myself it's an acquired taste, it'll get better. But I really don't like this. And I don't like celery to begin with, so I think maybe that's it. I feel like I'm getting a little nauseous. I don't think I can drink this. This is disgusting. How are people drinking this? I guess if you like celery, you probably won't mind it. Oh my God, this tastes so bad. I'm done. I don't want this crap. We're back in the kitchen because I'm actually making a very early lunch. It's only like 12 and I'm already starving. Look at that. I made myself a little chicken peanut salad. Basically, I used lettuce. Then I used one of these Morningstar chicken patties. And it is vegan because some of their items aren't vegan, but this one is. So just make sure that you check the packaging if you want to make sure that yours is vegan. And this tastes so good. It tastes like chicken. Then I put just 1 tablespoon of this spicy peanut vinaigrette dressing, and it's from Trader Joe's. And then I sprinkled some of these peanuts, which is also from Trader Joe's. And there you have it, my little chicken salad. Chicken salad. Wow, someone needs a tan. A bitch is pale, okay? I had to search for a foundation that could match me today because I'm so pale. I need to spray tan ASAP. So right now, I just did my makeup. I washed my hair today, and that is because we're gonna be trying out the new Revlon brush thingy. I'm excited for this. I really want it to work because travel-wise, this would be so easy to just take in your suitcase or wherever and not need brushes or anything. Like, I don't know, this is just so simple and it's not heavy at all, which I'm liking. So I have my filming set up. I got everything set up in front of me. I'm gonna get ready to film. You're gonna see this review on a separate video. Yeah, so check my channel because the video might already be up when you watch this. I don't know because I've been filming like crazy. So I'm gonna start filming. I'm drinking my kombucha. It always puts me in a really good mood. I haven't tried any other kombucha brands. Actually, no, I tried one and I didn't like it. This is the only one that I really enjoy. It's from the brand called Health Aid, and this flavor is Pink Lady Apple. And it just gives you a burst of energy. I feel so happy when I drink this. It's like a happy juice. This is my happy juice. I just finished filming video number 2 and I am done for the week. Now all I have to focus on is editing videos. Makes me so happy. It's perfect because I have to head to Jersey in just a couple of days. I have some fun things planned over there that I will be taking you guys with me. And I wanted to make sure that I still had videos ready to go up for you guys because that is my main priority. Look at this little baby. He makes himself comfortable anywhere he is. He's so cute. This is pretty much the end of my day slash night. I'm gonna edit Thursday's video. I just want to get a head start on it. Today's actually Tuesday. And I want to get a head start on it. Oh, cool. Can you guys believe that I almost forgot to vlog today? I'm like, wait, I haven't picked up the camera. What is wrong with me? But hi, we're here. It's a new day. I feel like I'm right where you guys left me. Just here editing, working on tomorrow's video. And I also need to go check on my laundry. I'm doing laundry. Tomorrow I'm heading to Jersey. I have a fun girls weekend planned. And I also have a work event that I have to go to. This week when I travel, I am determined to not overpack like I always do, and my goal is to only take a carry-on because every time I go home back to Jersey, I take my big ass suitcase and it's just a mess. Like, big ass suitcase and a bunch of other things. This time I'm not doing that. Excuse me, mom's leaving. You too. Tomorrow morning I'm heading to Jersey and I just finished packing, which is it's such a pain in the ass, but I tried to do it as organized as possible because I'm going home for a work event that I have to attend, and then also for the weekend I'm gonna be with my friends. We're doing a little getaway, so I tried to pack as organized as possible, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. I ordered these packing cubes from Amazon. So this whole cube is my weekend bag. That's gonna stay in here, and these are like my little like toiletries. And then this is just stuff that I almost forgot, my perfume and my mini fresh face wash. I'm so happy I had a mini one because I cannot live without this face cleanser. And then I have some jewelry in here. I don't know where this bag is from. It probably came with a piece of jewelry I bought, and I just always stick my jewelry there. And then in here, I have more things. I have my shoes that I'm going to be wearing for the weekend. I have my makeup brushes in that bag. I have my makeup in here. I have 2 palettes down there. And then here I have my Revlon curling brush and my curling wand. The curling wand is the only thing I'm going to take to the weekend with me. So basically, I'm going to take this bag out when I get to my parents' house and only take out the curling wand to take with me. maxi. So basically I'm gonna have a whole bunch more room there. And that way, once I get home, I'm pretty much packed and ready to go for the weekend because the very next day I take off. Well, not take off, I'm driving. I'm acting like I'm going on a plane. I'm not going on a plane. So yeah, I feel like I packed as minimal as possible. I tried everything on. That way I only packed exact outfits because I always like pack like 3 outfits for a day and I end up wearing none of them. So yeah, I tried my best. And then the only other thing I'm taking besides maxi is this bag, which is gonna stay there. So technically I feel like it doesn't count because it's not coming back with me. I was saving some makeup for my friend, so I'm gonna give that to her when I see her. And then this bag has the clothes that I'm gonna wear for the rest of the week and my boots. And then I'm also just gonna stick my laptop in here because your girl will be working while over there. I have tons of video to edit, so we're good, guys. We're good, right, Maxie? So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this open because I'm gonna stick my laptop there before I go to bed. And that's all we're taking. I am so happy. You guys don't understand, like there's times where the whole living room is, not the whole living room, I'm exaggerating, but this whole section is just filled with like my big suitcase, the travel, a side bag. Like it's just way too much and it drives me crazy. So I did my best to pack as minimal as possible. I do have clothes at home also. I don't have all my favorite things, but I have some clothes there. So it's not like if I forget anything, like I'm not gonna have anything to wear. Like my room is still like my room over there. Oh no, the lighting is not good here. You know what? Let's sit on our chair. What I do also since I go back and forth so often is that there are certain things that I have doubles of, like deodorant, body lotion, even some makeup products. I have doubles, so they always stay like in my mom's house and another set stays here, just because like things like deodorant and toothbrush and body lotion, I don't want to pack those things every time. So yeah, I just have a set at each place. That way it's one less thing for me to pack. I try to also have dog food at both places. That way I don't have to carry his huge bag of dog food. He doesn't have any dog food over there right now, so I think I'm just gonna buy him dog food when I get there because I need to have a bag over there anyways, or I might take this one. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I just finished editing tomorrow's video and now I'm gonna start editing Sunday's video. Since I'm gonna be away, I don't wanna have to worry about editing while I'm with my friends because it is my friend's birthday, but I still want to make sure I got a video for you guys. So that's gonna get done right now. Oh, I gotta pack my charger and my AirPods. All right, guys, we're heading to Jersey. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. We'll pick it up in Jersey. Bye.